When you try to download a game on Steam, you suddenly get hit with this annoying no internet connection error. No matter how many times you try, it just keeps showing the same error again and again. But don't worry guys, in today's video, I'm going to solve this problem for you. So without any further ado, let's fix this. Now, a lot of people on the internet will tell you to run some command in PowerShell. But if you run those random commands, you might actually compromise your system, so don't trust random scripts. But don't worry, I've got a solid fix for this. In my case, the game is Hitman Absolution. If you have this tool, simply click on it, then click on Open Steam folder. Now click on Steam Manifests, and the folder will open for you. Now we need to add the game files into this folder. Don't worry, you can download your own game files from the link in the description box. Simply copy all the files, open the folder, and paste them. But if you don't have this tool, then here's what you need to do. Right-click on Steam and select Open File Location. In the folder, search for Depot Cache and open it. Now paste all your game files here. Now open Steam and wait for a little bit. The download will start automatically. And as you can see, the downloading has started. So guys, if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.